feel like kind of like a sellout, but we're gonna try this. Lean times calls for lean measures. So here's our plastic pieces, chain guard, top cover. Did they already put the crank in them? No, surely not. Here's our halves. Oh, they just got them slid together. Okay. Bearing switches, small parts. Air cover, gas tank, carburetor housing, clutch assembly, muffler. It's Christmas Eve. So I thought, what better time to spend my Christmas Eve than getting prepared for more work. There is no rubber hammer. Some stuff's assembled a little. Alright, if you ever heard the old term, haste makes waste, this might be a wasty situation. But at this point, it was Christmas Eve. I got right up to Christmas Eve, and we just battled that Perry County job and all that stuff, and I've been battling Puddin, which since I found out what was wrong with Puddin, it was very simple. I'll get into it in the next video. But anyways, I decided, in panic, I decided I gotta get me a reliable chainsaw. So I bought this Chinese 395 XP knockoff and went to building it. And it's not, I don't think it's going to be a bad saw. It runs good, sounds good, all this stuff. I know this after this video, shouldn't, spoiler alert. But anyways, since then I figured out Puddin, and now everything's great. But it was funny how, like at this time, it was like, oh my God, what do I do? You know what I mean? So, but it's Christmas Eve, and I thought, I was in work mode. I want to complete. So I went ahead and built this saw, and the boys was down there playing around, and we got into it together, and it got funny and laid back. I love hanging out with my family, especially doing something productive, hanging out with them. But so I hope y'all like this. It's just kind of a short little, cute little video. Think Woo-Woo's like daddy? Then he's a big sissy.
Look at that kid.
Oh.
It says you have daddy's on. Don't have your clothes on. I want to jump pants.
Well, add the pads, having a little trouble to pubble.
Well, I know nothing
here it is.
about chainsaws.
Well, you and me both. That's two of us. Uh-oh. You look a lot better.
See, I'm the one who just came in from outside. I came in and you're.
You know what
Yep, Calvin told on you. He said you've been in there playing Sis Box all morning.
This ain't sausage this morning.
While them boys been outside tearing it up.
Having
They
fun.
broke the whole outside, tore it up.
They're having fun.
Oh, they're not allowed. You wouldn't have fun with
You
it.
would know.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got snow inside my arm.
Great. Was it miserable?
Yeah.
Yes.
They're having fun.
It became numb.
Oh yeah. Well then you couldn't feel it anymore, and it wasn't miserable anymore.
But then when I did this with my hand, I pressed it against and I could feel it really badly.
And it hurt.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. Just check.
What is with this pad? This pad doesn't like it.
Daddy, you gotta make sure these babies are miserable. There's only one kind of baby to have, and that's one that's miserable. You know what?
Open up this part. This is fun. Let's do a chainsaw.
Well, it's like building a Lego set. That's all it is.
Yeah, do you
It's
have
for adults.
instructions?
Lego set for adults. No, I don't need. Well, I probably need instructions, but I can't follow them anyways because they are smart enough.
You
Anyway,
ain't as smart as you think. You have instructions on your desk how to build a gun.
no, I don't.
Look.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's just in case. Just in case I ever did.
Y'all said they're having fun.
Huh?
Jax just said y'all are having
What?
But
On
no.
my watch?
Well, playing Xbox was fun for Levi.
No, it wasn't. I didn't have a smile on my face.
Yes, you did.
Was you miserable? Oh yeah.
He wasn't.
Did you
Why'd
probably?
you do it for a long time?
Did you probably cry just a little bit because it's so sad?
I cried watching my idiot crying so bad they were.
Awesome.
So much.
So Dad's got a little issue going here. I don't know what this does.
Might be a cover for this.
No, don't go on there.
I got the door, Jackson.
Okay, here's your screwy pooies.
Screwy pooies. All right, thank you for the screwy pooies. Calby palby wowies.
Ready? Get as fast as you can.
Here's your boxy cutty. I don't know. Boxy box.
Wait! What are you doing?
Watching Jackson go outside.
Come here. Better make yourself useful. Big no good sissy. Because we're both in jammies, so we're sissies. Sissies must stick together. I don't overscrew them. But start them all in, all 4 of them. And then after they're all started good, then you can tighten them down. After they're all for sure started.
You can't be going. You haven't been outside.
Dude, boy, he's hard on you. Poor defenseless
I don't
woo.
want to hear any.
Shut up!
Shoot! Shoot!
Does that mean you're a little baby? Sniffing your little nose? I'm sorry.
No, it means I've been outside.
That means nobody.
They are, you guys are too. If this is the best parenting or not, but our family, my YouTube's is backed off a bit. Y'all probably noticed that for sure. But I've spent more time with my boys. They're the crucial age and they need their dad, and their dad needs them something awful. They make me so happy. But we torment each other constantly. Our house, we just pick and pick and pick, and we try to push each other mentally without being, like narcissistic towards each other. But we try to push each other to get to the next level, and pick and torment and spend some time with each other, but all out of love. It can't none be. It's a delicate balance. So try to make it to where it's not, toxic. So we're trying to keep a light environment where we poke at each other and we pick at each other and we love each other. And it's just great. I love it. If I could have my way, I'd just do shit, do stuff with my kids just all the time. I love working with them. They're actually pretty daggone smart. Now Levi, he steps right in. You can watch how me and him work together. I don't boss him around, tell him what to do every 5 minutes. I just kind of let him get in there and then help him when he gets stuck, and these kids, I would like to see them research more stuff on the internet on, some how-to stuff, but they're young for that yet. They still enjoying themselves and stuff, but I like pushing them to, to chase novelty, to learn, and Levi's, these boys kill it with Legos, man. My boys, that's their Legos. They kill it with Legos, and I let them play video games a little bit, which is probably not a good idea as a parent. But I don't let them just play any old video game. I push them. Like, if you're gonna sit down and play that damn thing, you're gonna push yourself. So I'm trying to get them to constantly push themselves. Or what do they do? But they're mechanical kids. They're not, sports jocks are kind of mechanical kids. So just trying to do the best I can in that realm, Mad like Dad? That is no way to be. Okay. Okay, where are we at, boy? Did these get tightened? Them didn't get tightened. Buzz them down.
Okay.
Just a little snuggy poo. They don't need much.
They're on rubber mounts. Daddy gonna beat the boy. Daddy gonna beat that boy.
Okay, you can move around.
Beat a child. Daddy gonna beat the boy. Gonna beat that child. Ooby doop doop doodle dee.
I got on where you can move it, but it's not really tight.
Oh yeah? Yeah.
Sorry, I heard the tires were on.
You got what?
I'm gonna take care of my car.
You taking care of your car?
Yeah.
What are you doing to your car? Just put a new engine in?
The only thing I know how. Vacuum it, put air in the tires.
You can put air?
Did you know that our sensors are turned around on our car? Tire sensors.
Your what?
Tire sensors.
That don't even rank on my...
The front's in the rear. I keep airing up the front tire. Why won't that go off?
Well, check the air.
I did. I went and checked all the air off.
Well, I probably rotated your tires at some point.
Those of you not familiar with Larder Wade, those of you that's come from Bucking shout outs and Big Deal 18 said something about Larder Wade on one of his videos the other day. And those of you that's new to this channel, welcome, very very welcome to y'all, and all of you that just come. Thank you guys. Thanks so much. The way we operate is we kind of feed our mill. You know, we buy timber on a stump, we harvest the timber, bring it to the mill, do green products like colored mulch, green lumber, and pallet blanks. We don't nail pallets, but we make pallet blanks for industry. And we got a few different avenues of revenue there. So when one drops, the other one kind of holds, and sort of this, that, and the other. You know, helps being diversified a little bit with these markets. They are down right now. So, anyways, long story short, what I'm trying to spit out is I get a week a year that the mill shuts down. I don't know how much longer we'll do it. I guess for indefinitely, but the mill shuts down for a week at Christmas, and I spend that week working on things for Tater. Sometimes I'll build this, that, and the other. Some things I want to talk about on here, but sometimes I work on my truck. Built exhaust for Blackie for the winter or so. Done some things, you know, just fart around, piddle, have a week to where we enjoy myself, pick on my family, work with my boys, and just work on equipment. The things that I can't do when I'm helping everybody else. And I love this time of year for that. I mean, right now it's the middle of January, and it feels, you know, we're getting on the other side of this. It really feels good getting caught up on things.
Feels stout. Well, there it is. I got to do some. I can get the nut over here. That nut's over here for the dogs. I left the side off right here for the carburetor, so I can adjust it yet. I like these. The side handle's better than the Husky. I gave her a couple yanks, and it feels pretty. Like got plenty of compression. Feels good. Well, it gets a little better next week. I'll fill it up with some goose and get her going. That was kind of a pickle, but we got it.
Breaker broker, come on in there, leave me a little comment, a little bit of thumbs up there. Kaboot.